Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and just want to put things straight because I think too many people have a very, very wrong idea of what Flash does in 2021. So for a lot of people, and I've seen so many comments of people saying, well, all the internet is going to be broken, Flash is gone. Flash has been removed from 99% of all websites a long time ago. So we are January 2nd, 2021, and Flash is out of support. Now, what does that mean exactly right now is that Flash is still on your PC. It will stop running Flash content exactly on January 12th. So January the 12th, Flash content won't work anymore. It's funny because a lot of people are like, oh, well, no more YouTube. YouTube has not used Flash in ages. Flash is an old and very, very, it's like, the dinosaur of the web. It has not been used in ages for almost everything. There's this false sense that Flash is everywhere, and it's not. Videos are not using Flash. Even most games websites that have small games on them aren't using Flash. Facebook is not using Flash on its games. That has not been done in a long time. There are other technologies replacing it, and most websites have moved on. Flash is a nightmare for security, a nightmare for, and it always has been a huge problem for so many things. It's good that it's gone and perfect that it's gone. If you do try to find a third-party site to download Flash, not only are you exposing yourself to malware, but you probably are going to download malware anyways. It's useless. And one of the things that a lot of people have not noticed is that Flash isn't playing in your browser. Every browser today, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, and so on, is not running Flash. If a website absolutely requires Flash, you have to enable Flash in the browser. And a lot of people don't notice that because no browsers today are running Flash natively. If you are going to a website that requires Flash, you'll have to enable it because it won't work. So there's so many people out there that are totally clueless that Flash is something that's old and pretty much gone from everywhere. The official date of Flash content not playing anymore will be January the 12th. And for the rest, as the year goes on and as the weeks go on, there will be updates that will remove it completely from your PCs, and it's going to be gone forever. So for those people going crazy on Flash, you have absolutely no idea what the web is all about and don't know anything about technology because pretty much everything actually works now without needing Flash. There's HTML5, there's other, WebGL, and so on. There's 3 different technologies actually that are making the web work today. And YouTube is not using Flash. It's not been using Flash in ages. It did at the beginning. It doesn't anymore. And it is something that's not used pretty much everywhere now. And if a website uses Flash, honestly, that website should not be visited anymore because they're not updating anything. So Flash is officially dead, and it's perfect. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.